Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I achieve these two looks as well as these looks, please stay tuned and enjoy.
That's a fashion, let's go down in history. We can never end.
Starting out, to get this look right here, I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair all the way back. After I pull my hair back, I'm going to go ahead and take a hair bow and then wrap that around my bun just to tighten that part of it. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my hair from Hairareus, which is the Brazilian curly hair in 16 inches. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on my head. There are 4 combs attached to it, which will help in the security process of the hair. And there's a drawstring attached to it. And so with that, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap that around my head. And then I'm going to tuck that in the back of my head so it's not seen. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by Hairareus. I actually bought this with my own money. I really like the hair. Next, I'm just going to spray the curly hair with some leave-in conditioner just so it's, nice and smells good. Then I'm going to take my toothbrush and go ahead and lay my edges. I like to apply it on my hair first and then actually take time to pull my edges out. So right now I'm not laying my edges, I'm just pulling out the hair that I'm going to use in order to lay my edges. Now that I've taken out the hair that I'm going to use, I'm going to go ahead and start to lay my edges. I zoomed in for y'all so y'all can see close up and personal how them baby hairs about to look, because look, we the queen of baby hairs. But yeah, I'm just taking my fingers and I'm just swooping the hair. It's not anything really much to it. You're just going to hold down the hair and then swoop. And then you're going to hold down the hair and swoop again. And you're going to keep doing that around the perimeter of your head until you got a whole bunch of little waves swimming. I don't know about y'all, but me watching this is like so therapeutic. So like, I don't know, it just it's relaxing, And here you have style 1, which is a ponytail with some baby hairs. Cute and simple. This next hairstyle is actually an added one I added towards the end. A higher ponytail with baby hairs. And so right now I'm just pulling my hair up just a little higher than it was before. I'm going to tighten that, secure a little bun, and then go ahead and get my little drawstring ponytail. Apply that to my head. Make sure it's on nice and secure. And then when I get to that string, I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around my hair so that it is secured in place. Now when I have secured that to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and take one of my scrunchies and put that around my ponytail again, just because I like that look. Pulling my hair up out the way, going ahead and applying that scrunchie, and there you have it. The higher ponytail with baby hairs. Real quick, I just want to apologize for my lashes. I did not know it was low-key lifting. So to achieve the third hairstyle, I'm just going to take a smaller hair bow and make a miniature bun on top of my bun. And once that is secure, I'm just going to take my drawstring and actually wrap that around my bun just to secure that in place. I found that doing it this way allows my bun to look a lot more cleaner and not as bulky. Once I have that wrapped around my hair, I'm going to take some bobby pins and just secure that in place. And then I'm going to take the remainder of the hair and go ahead and wrap that around my bun, and then take my scrunchie to secure that in place. I really should have used some bobby pins, but honestly, y'all, I did not have the patience. It was like 4 a.m. in the morning. And here you have a nice, cute, little simple bun that you could wear on an everyday basis. The next style we have is this cute ponytail with the bang and baby hairs. Right now, I just section out a piece of my hair, and I'm just going to apply some product on that and go ahead and take my Denman brush and brush as much of my hair as I can, just to get all the kinks and coils out. After I smooth out my hair, I'm going to add a little more product just to make sure it's even smoother. And then I'm going to take a regular brush and go ahead and brush that bang down and swoop it to the side just to give that look. I'm kind of heavy-handed on the product, y'all. Like we got that had that type 4 hair, and we gotta make sure it's late. But yeah, so when I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and take a bobby pin and pin down the excess hair behind my head. To achieve this look, I used about 3 bobby pins. So once I'm done with my bang, I'm going to go ahead and take my drawstring ponytail and apply that on my head. I'm going to go ahead and secure that in place and then position it in the way that I like it, and then secure it in place with the drawstring. I was trying to find the bobby pins I was using. At this point, I was really over it. But once I found my bobby pin, I went ahead and secured the drawstring in place just so that provided the extra security I would need. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my leave-in conditioner and spray my edges so that I can redo my edges in the way that I like. And so as you can see, I zoomed up close again just so you can see the process of how I lay my edges once again. So I apply some of the product, and then I take my toothbrush, and then I'm going to go ahead and swoop the baby hairs in the directions that I like. So I'm going to hold down my hair, swoop, hold down my hair, and swoop. So once I'm done laying down my edges, I now have the finished look of a bun and a ponytail. I didn't add my little scrunchie right here, but you best believe I'm going to add it now. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put that scrunchie around my ponytail, and this is how I would wear the hair. These styles are so cute. If you see me around on camp, then you'll definitely 9 times out of 10 see me wearing a ponytail. So this is the last hairstyle to conclude this video. I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair around the bun again, and then I'm going to take the excess hair and wrap that around my bun from the bottom. And then from here, I'm just going to take some bobby pins just to secure the hair in place to give that extra hold. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my little scrunchie just to set off the look. This is a really cute style to go to. Very simple. So within this video, I just used 2 products, which is the Eco Styler Argan Oil brand and then the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Leave-In Conditioner. Comment down below your favorite style. But yeah, y'all, that's the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
I love the way you do it so beautifully, like Michael Jackson.